Ladies and gentlemen, for those who have already subscribed, welcome back guys. But for those who have just come here for the first time, please consider subscribing, please like and share the video. Today I'm going to share with you the cost of fencing this area. I have been receiving a lot of questions. How much did it cost you to fence, to put this fence? The whole of this fence you are seeing, guys. I see. The whole of this fence. How much did it cost me to put the whole of this fence? So today I'm going to tell you guys. At the same time, I'm going to demonstrate for you the perfect example of urban farming. Why am I saying this? Because in this land I am in now, it's a very small plot. It's 20 by 32.5 meters. In this small plot, staying in it. At the same time, I'm doing my chicken business. There are some other people whom I know. There's someone whom I know. He's staying in the middle of a town, in half an acre. He's not doing anything with his land. Most of the land is just blank there. Nothing's being done on it. Yes, you may be getting salary, but salary is not enough. In most cases, experience normally tells us that problem in most cases overweigh the money we normally get. You can be getting billions, you can be getting millions, you can be getting 3 million every month. The problem will also be coming more than even that 3 million. So you have to get some small also. As I told you, I'll be demonstrating a perfect example of urban farming so that you guys can learn. Before we dive into the real business, are you seeing me? Are you seeing that house? That one. I'm still constructing that house. It's not yet finished. So again, are you seeing that one? That is a small thatched house where I'm living. I'm living in that currently. If I finished this one, I will shift from this one and come here. Here, I will even have the kitchen inside there. So I will make that one now to help me do other things like keep my chicken feeds. Like one of my store, even other things will be put there. We are going slowly, so as I said. So now, that one, I was trying to show you that, so that if you are there complaining that, hey, the land, I don't have land, I'm in a very small place, to stop complaining and take action. If you're not inspired by this video, then nothing will inspire you guys. Nothing will inspire you. If you're there complaining that where you are in very small, you can start this chicken business in even a small area. At your backyard, you can start that thing and make small money. Make it be your side hustle. Yes, you may have your main work, but let this one be your side hustle where you can get some small money monthly. And in fact, this one not even monthly, this one daily, you'll be getting money, honestly. Upon your monthly money. Because chicken you'll be selling every day. People are buying from you. When the salary comes, you already fix a lot of things. I see. So, that is it for those who are complaining. Because I'm saying this, there's someone I know, he's in the middle of town. And the guy is sitting in half an acre. And the land is not even being used, it's just there. But we're crying poverty. So, back into real business, what is the cost of this fence? The cost of this fence. So, the poles, that one standing straight as see, they are 9. And each pole cost me 34,000. They were 35, but I have to bargain. I bought at 34,000. 9 times 34,000, it will bring you to 306,000. Those poles you are seeing bending, those ones bending in style, Those are support poles. They are 10. Each was 15,000. I bought, when you multiply 10 times 15,000, it will bring 150,000. So now, this wire you are seeing here, these are wire passing through that pole to support the chain link. If you are seeing somewhere they have been tied there, that wire. If you're seeing that wire there, that one you're seeing has been tied to support what? The chain link. So this wire here, this wire it cost me that it was 45, but of different sizes. You choose which one suits you. So this one it's not so much big. Even I've used with it, some of them are remaining and keeping them. In the future they will still help me. I bought at 45,000. The chain link cost me 290 each chain link. So I bought 4 of them, which means the chain link are at 1,160,000. Those are the chain link. That's the cost of the chain link. But if you add on now everything, you add on the pole, the cost of the pole, the cost of the support pole, the cost of this wire, the cost of the chain link, it will bring you to 1,661,000. Let's go to the door. The door cost me 52,000. Well, I bought the timber at 30,000. I bought the nail 1 kilo at 6,000. The patter, which helped fix the door to make it easy opening, I bought at 4,000. And I bought the iron sheets, the second hand, not the new one. I bought at 12,000. It all cost me 52,000. The person who was helping do the work, we agreed, even though he wanted more, but I talked with him that, my friend, this is what I can afford to give you. I don't have so much money. Then I gave him 150. The work was done in 2 days. The first day, they dig the hole where the pole will be fixed. They dig the hole and the pole were fixed. They left the pole to first set dry, that it's strong. Before they come and put all the chain link, and the work was done. Very early in the morning, serious work, not joking. I see. So now, if you now calculate, there are some chicken there at the back of me, some small interlude. You know the sunshine is very strong now, so they are looking for shade. Even some are the other side. I see there where that white thing. Although there's also shade there. They have gathered there. You know, we are in a dry season, so they are looking where we can take a very good shade. So now, when you see now,